Namaste. Welcome to namastehindi.com. So, dear learners, we have reached to our last video of Hindi consonants. The journey till here was very encouraging and very exciting. So, now let's learn the remaining sounds of Hindi consonants from ya to gya. But before learning something new, let's revise what we know till now. So, Hindi consonants that we have learned till now are ka, kha, ga, gha, la. Cha, cha, ja, jha, iya. Ta, tha, da, dha, la. Then ta, tha, da, dha, na. Then pa, pha, ba, bha, ma. Yes, and now comes the next part, the remaining sounds of Hindi consonants. So let's get started. The consonant, the semi-vowels. Semi-vowels are the sounds that are produced in a way that is between vowels and consonants. They are smooth and flow easily when spoken. Now words starting from ya are ya, yogi, that is called a hermit or a saint, ya, yogi, and ya, yudh. Yudh, that is called war. War in Hindi is called yudh. Like right now there is an ongoing war between USA, Israel and Iran, and there Russia and Ukraine. So that is called yudh. इन देशों में युद्ध चल रहा है. There is a war going on in between these countries. इन देशों में युद्ध चल रहा है. So yogi is hermit, युद्ध is war. Then ra. The next semi vowel is ra, and the word starting from ra are raat, that means night, raat, that means night, and rath, that means chariot. Rath, that means chariot. Next consonant is la, la, and the word starting from la is la, laddu, that means sweet, and la, lattu, that means spin, spinning top. They are pronounced somewhat very similar, but the difference lies that here is the consonant da, and here we are using consonant ta. So they are laddu, that is sweet, and lattu, that is spinning top. Next consonant is va. It is also a semi vowel, and it is va. And the words starting from va are va, vahan, that is vehicle, and va, varsha, that is rain. Now, my dear learners, can you tell me one more name that we use for rain? Yes, we did it before, we learned before in ba consonant. Yes, rain is also called barsat, and varsha is the synonym of rain. So rain is called va varsha, and rain is also called va barsat. So words from va are va vahan, that is vehicle, va varsha, that is rain. Now comes sibilants and glottal. Sibilants are the consonants that produce a hissing or friction sound when air passes through the mouth, like sh, sh. So can you hear that hissing sound? Sh. So yes. So sibilants are the consonants that produce a hissing sound when the air passes through the mouth. And next, glottal. Glottal is this area of your whole mouth. So the letter h is called a glottal or aspirant consonant because it is produced with a strong breath coming from throat. Try h, h. When you will say h, you will feel a strong vibration in your glottal area. H, h. Very good. So words from sha are sha, shisha, that is called mirror, and sha, shahad, that is called honey. So mirror in Hindi is shisha, shisha, and honey in Hindi is shahad, shahad, shahad. Next consonant under sibilants and glottal category is sha, that is shatkod. It is very much similar pronounced with the previous consonant, that is sha. It is sha. So sh, shatkod, and shatkod is called octagon. So octagon in Hindi is called shatkod. Kod is the corner and shat is for 8. So octagon, shatkod. And the next word that is made using sh sound is dushit. Dushit. Polluted in Hindi is called dushit. Very good. Next sibilant consonant is s. Now the extra pressure on sh is released and it becomes s. 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 That was sh. Sh. And this is s. Very good. And words starting from s are saap, that is called snake in Hindi, and such, that is called truth in Hindi. So snake in Hindi is called saap and truth in Hindi is called such. Now it is the time for our glottal consonant, that is h, that comes from glottal area or the throat area of your mouth, and the words starting from h are h, hara, that is called green color. Green in Hindi is hara, and elephant. Elephant in Hindi is hathi. हाथी राजा कहाँ चले, favorite rhymes of every Indian kid. हाथी राजा कहाँ चले, सूंड बुला के कहाँ चले, मेरे घर भी आओ ना, हलवा पूड़ी खाओ ना. Okay, so ह, hara, that is green, and hathi, that is elephant. Now it comes the time for our last four Hindi vowels. Those are called clusters. And why they are called clusters? Because they are formed by combining the sound of two consonants. The cluster consonants are formed by combining two or more consonants into a single sound. So let's get into detail. So the first consonant under cluster category is ch, ch, and it is made by forming the consonants k and sh together. So when k and sh will combine, it will become sh. And the words starting from sh are chama, that is forgiveness, and kshatriya, that is warrior. So forgiveness in Hindi is chama and warrior in Hindi is kshatriya. Kshatriya. Cha, cha, sha, sha. So ka plus sha becomes sha. Shama and kshatriya. It sounds more like the seventh consonant cha. Next consonant, cluster consonant is tra. Tra, and here you can find that it is formed by joining two consonant sounds ta and ra together. So when ta and ra will be mixed, it will form the cluster sound tra. The consonant will become tra, and the words starting from tra are trishul, that is called trident in English, and trikod. Trikod, trikod, that is triangle. So triangle in Hindi is trikod and trident in Hindi is trishul. Very good. Now it is the time for second last Hindi consonant, that is gya. And as you can see, it is formed by joining two consonant sounds ja and iya together. Ja and iya together will become gya. Gya, gya. Yes. And the word starting from gya are gyan, that is called knowledge. So knowledge in Hindi is gyan, and science, that is vigyan. So Vigyan in Hindi is called, in English is called science, and Gyan in English is called knowledge. Very good. And it is the last Hindi consonant. The last Hindi consonant is Shra. Shra. And as you can see, it is made by joining two sounds Sh and Ra together. So when Sh and Ra, these sounds will mix, it will become a new consonant Shra. And the words starting from shra are shram, that is called hard work, and shraddha, that is called faith. Faith in any religion, any god, any believing is called shraddha. So hard work in Hindi is shram, and shraddha in English is called faith. So faith in Hindi is shraddha and hard work in Hindi is shram. So clap for yourself, my learners. You have learned all the Hindi vowels and Hindi consonants today. So dear learners, great job. You have mastered the building blocks of Hindi language, the vowels and consonants. Now comes the fun part. Together, we will start combining these letters to read and form Hindi words. With each lesson, your reading skills, your confidence will grow up. Keep learning, keep practicing, and most importantly, enjoy the journey. Best of luck, and let's get started with formation of words in our next videos. Till then, please subscribe our channel and please share it those who want to learn Hindi in a very easy and fun way.